So what is first aid? The immediate help given to a victim before the doctor comes is known as first aid. The need to give first aid to someone may arise in case of an accidental emergency. But the most important thing to remember is to stay calm, because if you panic, you will not be able to handle the emergency effectively. I am sure you've seen a first aid kit at home. If not, then you must make one and keep it handy. The essential items to be kept in a first aid box include cotton, band-aid strips, antiseptic lotion, burn ointment, bandage, and a pair of scissors. Now let's learn a few first aid techniques given in case of certain emergencies. For this, we'll call on two friends, Chintu, who keeps getting into trouble, and his dear friend Pintu, who, like you, is always there for him. So once these two friends were playing outside on a hot summer afternoon. Suddenly Chintu fell unconscious. Pintu knew that this is a clear case of heat stroke. He took Chintu to a shady area, loosened his shirt buttons, and gave him lime solution with salt and sugar. Soon Chintu felt much better. They decided not to play anymore and go back home. On their way back, they saw a little girl was crying and her nose was bleeding. Chintu quickly reached out for help. He made the girl sit up straight and pinched her nose from the soft part and told her to breathe from the mouth. In no time, her nose stopped bleeding and the girl was happy. On reaching home, they saw that Chintu's mother had cut her finger while chopping vegetables. Pintu took auntie to a wash basin, washed the wound under running water, then wiped it with cotton dipped in Savlon. Once bleeding stopped, he put a band-aid over the wound. He explained to Chintu that if bleeding does not stop, a tourniquet, that is, a cotton band, should be tied just above the wound to stop bleeding, and a doctor should be consulted immediately. Auntie was very impressed with Chintu's awareness and asked him to share his knowledge with Chintu. So Pintu explained a few more first aid techniques. He said that for burns, we should pour cold water on the burnt area. When burning sensation stops, then a burn ointment should be applied. Small burns can be treated at home, but for major burns, a doctor should be consulted. In case of an animal bite, like if a dog or a monkey bites, then wash the wound with soap and water to remove rabies causing germs. Then apply antiseptic lotion and take the patient to a doctor. In case of a snake bite, tie a tourniquet just above the bite so that poison does not spread and rush to a doctor. Similarly, an insect bite can be very painful. It causes swelling. So for that, the sting should be removed and ice should be applied over the area. He also explained what should be done in case of a sprain. He said that we should apply ice on the area, then wrap a crepe band-aid around the sprained joint and take the patient to a doctor. Lastly, he said, Chintu, always remember that by being a little more careful and alert, we can avoid accidents and emergencies. So children, you too should become smart and alert Pintus and be able to give first aid in case of any emergency. Go through the lesson carefully and understand these first aid techniques. Thank you.